type of show every year. This year we've got one of the biggest stands that we've ever brought with us because we've got a whole new range of things like pivot doors on there. Obviously ourselves, we're specialists in aluminium products, especially sort of sliding doors, bifolding doors, front doors, windows, etc. I mean, if it's made of glass and aluminium, essentially we do it. People come along to see us here because they like to come and stand in front of something and see the products firsthand.
We attend various exhibitions around the UK, including Birmingham, Glasgow, several in London and the South East. We believe it's important that homeowners view our products before they invest into them, which is why we've gone to great extent to show them in such a well-equipped exhibition stand. It's fair to say that our exhibition stand displays more products than most of our competitors' showrooms. We always recommend that our customers visit our showrooms, but an exhibition stand is the next best thing. They allow you to explore our most popular products, engage with the team, and discuss your up-and-coming projects, giving you even an idea of budgets. We don't employ promotional staff on our stand. You'll meet with our sales executives from our showrooms, our trade team, or even our company directors. Our super friendly team are on hand to discuss your architectural plans, any ideas you might have, or even just to hand out a brochure. If you'd like to find out about the next show that we're exhibiting at, please visit our website expressbifolds.co.uk.